Good morning, guys. I believe that you're okay. So, yeah, I just wanted to clarify something concerning the confirmation because most of the ideas or the framework which I shared there in the Telegram, here in Telegram, they are just frameworks. But at the end, you need to find a confirmation into the zone which I have drawn. Mostly, I draw those zones using gray rectangle, or I name them as POI, like point of interest, as I already explained those abbreviations. So right now, I just want to show you, let's say this is an example. The market was going up, the market dropped, then this is our point of interest. This zone here that has been marked up until here. So then maybe I anticipated that this is our point of interest. So when the market arrives here, we want to see a certain signature, which is a signature like this. You see, so meaning if this is H4 time frame or daily time frame, I've analyzed this. I said our point of interest, this is our supply or order block in bigger time frames. So when market arrives in this point of interest, you drop into smaller time frame. If this is H4, then you go into M15, 5 minute or 1 minute. Then you're gonna check for the signatures like this. So I'm just gonna explain it a little clear. So when market, if you can check here, the market came, can you see this? Yeah, just follow it clearly. So the market, we see market entering the zone, you see, then dropping. So when it does this, you don't take a trade immediately, say no, the market is rejecting, because the market can still do this and continue up. Then you hit your stop loss, because you will not just put your sell limit here so that the market can just hit you in and drop. It's a risk trade. Some others like to do that, and market will trigger them up, that will trigger them and drop. Sometimes it will just continue to go higher. So you wait for this. Then what is it that you want to see? You want to see market taking this high that is being created inside this point of interest, or inside the gray box that we created. So you want to see it going up, taking the high, and also taking this low at the same time. So meaning this is a sign of change of character that is happening inside of this point of interest. We call it change of character. So meaning it is a confirmation that the market is going to be dropped. This is the kind of signature that we are looking for. We want to see market creating a high and creating a low inside of this box, or nearest near inside of our point of interest, then taking the high same time again, and also taking the low again. Then after that, what is it that we're gonna anticipate? We want to see, after breaking the low, we don't just sell, and we want to see market coming again to mitigate the last candle, or the last order block, the last candle prior to the downside. So meaning this candle is going to be an up close candle, or is going to be our supply or order block. Then this is where you're gonna put your entry, and you're gonna put your sell entry here and hold. When it break this again, you just wait for it to come back. You're gonna be entering into your supply or order block, or the last candle prior to the move down. You see? So let me show you example. So if you can check here, this is gonna be a nice example. So let's say in bigger time frame, market was coming down to our demand or order block, bullish order block. So we see market coming down. We see it creating a low, as if it's rejecting, like, because when it does this, some will just be entering here and say no, it's already buying. You see, you enter here, so some they will enter here, then they put the stop loss there. You see, so then the market will come and hit their stop loss, and you see this candle, this was a buy, it was very massive. So we saw that the market was coming down, created a low. You see, that's what we were learning on the other side, but that was okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. We'll come back to this one. So we see market coming, going up. Remember, let's say this is our point of interest, our supply that we have marked, or our bearish order block that we have marked. So market is trading into it. We see trading into it, we see it rejecting. You see, so we need a confirmation that shows that that will confirm with us if like a change of character, because this means nothing. Because when market does this, you can still buy here, you can still sell here and put your stop loss here, then think that the market will keep dropping. You see, but you see market doing what? Going higher, and after that dropping massively. You see, so let's continue. We want to see market going higher, creating a high and going down, creating another low and taking out this high. You see, so you must watch this video more over and over again. So we want to see this high, this high, this high being taken. We also want to see this low being taken, and we see market going up. So then after that, what is it that we want to see? This is not yet a signal that we must sell. You see this candle, how big it is. You can't sell here, you can't sell here. That's a very risky thing. So what is it that we want to do? Price created the low and price created the high. Price created the low, price has taken out the high, and price has taken high down the low. So what is it that also we want to anticipate the last candle, or our supply prior to the move down. You see, this is our supply. I guess to those who don't understand the concept of supply and demand, I'll create a short video or send something that will help you to understand the basics of supply and demand. So where are you anticipating to enter? Not here, not here. You see, so meaning this will teach you patience, because okay, others will say, okay, this is a breakout and retest. You see, a breakout and retest, meaning yes, it works sometimes. Then they'll say, what, this is where we want to be selling, because market broke support, it come to retest it and it drops. So in most cases it will happen like this, but it won't really be respecting that logic. It will be respecting what we call breaker. So meaning this will be what we call our breaker candle, the candle that broke this high. So meaning the institution will come to mitigate this and be dropping. So let's do this. So what we want to see, this is where you can put your pending orders, or you just wait for market to reach here. Then that's where we're gonna see market dropping massively. So your stop loss is going to be above here. You see how this beautiful this pattern is. You see, it's, yeah, it can be, we can say this is a Quasimodo, but for now I want you to focus on this, how I explain this. You see, some they can draw it like this as a high, higher high, low, lower low. The market comes, touches it, and it drops. You see, it's called Quasimodo in other terms. But right now